Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr. Smruti and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuition, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app and enroll yourselves so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So students, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. So today we are going to learn another method to solve a quadratic equation, that is by completing the square. So in your previous chapter or the previous section of the chapter 4, we have discussed how to solve the quadratic equation by the method of factorization. So in this section, we will discuss how to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square. So are you all ready? So let us start. Consider the following situation. The product of Sunita's age 2 years ago and her age 4 years from now is one more than twice her present age. What is her present age? So we have to solve this particular problem. So what will be your approach? So first you will obtain the algebraic expression for it. So 2 years ago Sunita's age will be x minus 2. 4 years ahead, Sunita's age will be x plus 4. That means after 4 years, what will be her age? That is nothing but equal to 1 more than twice her present age. So 2x plus 1. So what you will do? You will just simplify it. It will be x square minus 2x plus 4x minus 8 is equal to 2x plus 1. It implies this 2x will go to this side, right? So it will be minus 2x plus 4x. It is plus 2x minus 2x. It becomes what? X square minus 9 is equal to 0. It implies x square will be equal to 9 and x will be equal to 3 or minus 3. As its age, it cannot be it cannot be it cannot be negative. So what will be Sunita's age? So Sunita's age will be 3 years, correct or not? So it was very easy as there was no middle term, that is there was no term containing x variable, so directly you could find out the age. It was very simple, correct or not? Now let us go to another situation where you have to find out the solution to this. Okay, so suppose you have x plus 2 square minus 9 equal to 0. So what will be your approach? So you will be having x plus 2 square minus 9 equal to 0. It implies x plus 2 whole square will be equal to 9, and it implies your x plus 2 will be either equal to 3 or x plus 2 will be equal to minus 3. So in this case, what will be the value of x? X will be either 3 minus 2, that is 1. Okay, 3 minus 2, that is 1, or x will be equal to minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. So x is 1 or minus 5. So have you realized that this particular expression x plus 2 square minus 9 is equal to 0 is nothing but equal to, if you take the factors of it, it is nothing but equal to, if you want to expand it, how much it will be? It will be x square plus 4x plus 4, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that is what I have written. minus 9. So it is nothing but equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. So this term x square plus 4x minus 5, we are converting it into x plus 2 whole square minus 9. Correct or not? We are converting it into this form. Correct? So how we are doing that? So it will be clear if we will take this example. Okay, so here we will learn how to convert one particular algebraic expression to its square. So for this, we have taken x square plus 4x. So how we are going to convert this x square plus 4x into x plus 2 whole square minus 4. So this we will show with pictures. So first I will take one square, the side of which is given by x. Okay, so this represents x and x. So this represents your x square. So the first term we have represented now. So plus, okay, plus 4 into x. That means the side is x and you can take lengthwise or breadthwise. So I am taking the height same, it is x, and the width I will take as 4. So it's somewhat it will look like this. So here this is your x and this is your 4. So it is x square plus 4x. Correct or not? So combining it is x square plus 4x. Correct or not? So now that is equal to, so if you combine the square representing x square, then the rectangle representing 4x, so your picture will look like this. Correct or not? So this represents your what? This represents your x square and this represents your 4x, and the answer is x square plus 4x. Right? So now what I will do is I can divide this 4x into two parts, that is 2x and 2x. It remains same, right? So this is equal to the square x square plus, I have divided 4x into two parts, 2x and 2x. So here basically what I have taken is, I have taken this is x, this is 2, okay, and one more 2, right? So this represents your x square, this represents your 2x, and this represents your 2x. So I am writing in this form, that is x square plus 2x plus 2x. Correct? So now can I rearrange this yellow color area like this? Like so one rectangle towards right and one rectangle towards the bottom. So in that case, what will be the value? So this we know it is x, right? This, how much? 2. What about this? It is 2. So correct or not? So this complete side will be equal to what? X plus 2. Correct or not? And this side will be equal to how much? So this side will be x plus 2 and this side will be x plus 2. But this region is not there, right? So what we can do is, we can add one small square over here and we can subtract the same so that the answer remains unchanged. Can you do that? Okay. So this is equal to how much? So just I will add one square, that what I was telling. I am doing the same. So now can you check here? Here this is x plus 2 and this is x plus 2. Correct or not? So now here you have added one square. What is the size of the square? Small square? This is 2, right? So this is 2, right? So I am not writing there, you will be confused. I will write here. So this is 2, right? And what about this is this value? This is 2, right? So what about this square? It is 2 square, right? So what can we write, taking all the red color, yellow color and blue color into consideration, that the entire figure represents a square with side x plus 2. We can write, right? But remember one thing, that this small square of side 2 and 2 is the extra part which we have added to the incomplete square to make it a complete square. So the expression remains unchanged only when you will subtract this small square from this entire square. Correct or not? So now this square I can write down as what? X plus 2 whole square. And remember what we need to do? We have to subtract this blue color square of side 2 and 2. Correct or not? So this part you have to subtract. So that means this is equal to x plus 2 whole square minus, what is the area of this small square? It is 2 square. Correct? So we can write down that what? We can write down this is x plus 2 whole square minus 4. So thus we have converted x plus 4x to x plus 2 whole square minus 4. Correct or not? So children, have you understood how to convert a particular algebraic expression to a complete square? So this will be more clear if we will take some examples. Okay, so here what I have done is, whatever I just shown you in the form of picture, the same thing has been written. It is repeated rather. So first what we have done initially, we have represented with a square having area x square plus a rectangle having side x and 4, that is 4x, right? Then we have divided this 4x into two parts, that is 2x and 2x. So x square plus 2x plus 2x. Then the area which you got separately, it is x plus 2 into x plus 2 into x. Correct or not? Now in order to make it a complete square, you have added a small square of side 2 into 2. Then you need to subtract it also. So after doing so, you can finally get what? X plus 2 into x plus 2 minus 2 square, and that is equal to x plus 2 square minus 4. So same thing has been written in your previous slide also. Correct? So now let us understand the concept with some more example. So consider now the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this quadratic equation has to be solved by converting it into a complete square. Okay, so this can be solved by two ways. Okay, so one in which you can multiply the entire equation into 3, or else you can divide the entire equation by 3. So why multiplying 3 and dividing 3? That is because we want to make it a perfect square, right? Okay, we are converting it into perfect square with some constant. Okay, so now to make it a perfect square, now you see this the term containing x square has to be a perfect square first. So here the coefficient of x square is 3. So if you multiply 3, it will become 9x square, or if you divide by 3, it will become x square. So both ways 9 and 1 are perfect square. So let us try the quadratic equation solving by both the method. Okay, so first we will multiply it. So let me write multiplying the equation by 3. So multiplying the equation by 3, we get what we get? We get 9x square minus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. Correct or not? So now I can write in place of 9x square, I can write 3x whole square minus 2 into, okay, 2 into 3x, okay, 2 into 3x, that is 6x. You need what? You need 15x. So now this 15x is nothing but equal to what? 3 by 3 into 5. 3 into 5. So if I will write this is equal to into 5 by 2. So is the answer remains unchanged? Yes. So minus 15x can be written in this form, that is minus 2 into 3x into 5 by 2 plus I will add one extra term, that is 5 by 2 whole square, that is b here. Okay, so 2ab, a square minus 2ab plus b square now. So b square is here now, 5 by 2 whole square. So this is a extra thing which you have added. If you have added a extra thing, that need to be subtracted, otherwise the equation is going to change, so you have to subtract it. So you will get expression in this form. So now you can see the first, second and third term. If you combine them together, what does it represent? It represents a minus b whole square. Correct or not? So that is 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square. Okay. So now let us sort out with this the other constant part, that is minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 6. So what I'll do, I'll write down 6 first, minus 5 by 2 whole square, that is 25 divided by 4 is equal to 0. It implies you will get 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square. So let us sort it out. 6 into 4, that is 24, minus 25 divided by 4. It implies your 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 divided by 4. So, if you take the square root of that, you will get 3x minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. So, if you take 1 by 2, so you will get 3x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 if you take. It implies your 3x will be equal to 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 3. It implies x is equal to 1. If you take 3x minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, right? If you take minus 1 by 2, it implies your 3x will be equal to how much? Minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, which is nothing but equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. So what will be your x value? X will be equal to 2 divided by 3. So what are the root of the equations? So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 by 3. Correct or not? So now let us solve the same problem by dividing it by 3. So 3x square minus 5x plus 2, we will divide the equation by 3. So here we are going to divide the equation by 3. So dividing the equation by 3, we get what? We get x square minus 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. Correct or not? So now what I will do, I will bring it to the form a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you have here one term with x. So what I will do, I will multiply 2 here. If I will multiply, I need to divide also. So denominator becomes 6 here. So 5 by 6 into x plus, so here what is the value of b here? It is 5 by 6. Okay, so let us write down 5 by 6 whole square. So if you are writing 5 by 6 whole square, so you need to subtract this thing. Why? Because this is the extra thing you have added, right? So plus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. So now these three terms, if you combine together, that will represent x minus 5 by 6 whole square, right? So remaining is minus 5 by 6 whole square plus 2 by 3 is equal to 0, right? So you will get x minus 5 by 6 whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 25 divided by 36 is equal to 0, right? So let us solve it further. So you will get x minus 5 by 6 whole square. So here denominator becomes how much? 36, right? So if denominator becomes 36, it becomes what? It becomes 12, because 3 into 12, so 12 into 2, so that becomes, so directly I am just writing the answer 24. Okay, 12 into 2, 24, minus 25 is equal to 0. So you will get x minus 5 by 6 whole square is equal to 1 divided by 36. So x minus 5 by 6 whole square will be plus or minus 1 by 6. If x minus 5 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6, it implies what will be your value of x? So x will be equal to 1. Correct or not? If you take the negative sign, then you will get what? If x minus 5 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 6, it implies your x will be equal to how much? It will be minus 1 plus 5 divided by 6, which is nothing but equal to 4 by 6, and it was equal to 2 by 3. So what are the roots of the equation by this method? So it is 1 and 2 by 3. So what is the value you have got in the previous method? It was same, right? So always you try that the x square term, the coefficient of x square term should be a perfect square, either by dividing or multiplying with a constant. You can do anyway, but make sure that the coefficient of x square term should be a perfect square. Okay children, hope you have understood. Now let us take one more example. So here you have 2x square minus 5x plus 3. So what is the coefficient of x square here? It is 2. So what I will do? I will multiply. So multiplying by 2, your quadratic equation will become 4x square minus 10x. So remember, if you are multiplying 2, you have to multiply throughout, plus 6 is equal to 0. So now we have to write down in form of a minus b whole square, right? So you will get 2x whole square. So already you have a 2 here. So minus 2 into, you have a, that is 2x. So remember what you need is 10x. So I will write 5 for that. So now you see what is the expression. Now it becomes 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 2 is 20. What you need is 10. So if you are multiplying 2, you have to divide it by 2. So what is your b term here? It is 5 by 2, correct or not? So let us write down b square, then let us add a extra term, that is b square. So if you are adding b square, that is 5 by 2 whole square, you have to subtract the same, that is 5 by 2 whole square again, plus 6 is equal to 0, correct or not? So now you have expressed these three terms in form of a minus b whole square. So what is a here? 2x. What is b here? 5 by 2 whole square. Okay, so now let us solve the constant part. So I will take plus 6 first, minus 25 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so you'll get 2x minus 5 by 2 whole square. So let us solve it. That is 24 minus 25 divided by 4. So it becomes minus 1 by 4. If you take to the other side, that becomes plus 1 by 4. That is 1 plus 1 by 4. So if you take the square root of it, you will get 2x minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. So if 2x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, that means you are taking plus sign, then it implies what will be your x value. So your x will be, so your 2x will be how much? Your 2x will be 3, 6 by 2, 3. So what will be your x value? So x will be equal to 3 divided by 2. Similarly, if you take the negative sign, so it is 2x minus 5 by 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2, it implies your 2x will be equal to 4 by 2. Right, so that is equal to 4 by 2 is 2. It implies what is the value of x then? X is equal to 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Okay, so what are the roots of the equation? So x is equal to 1 and 3 by 2. Correct? Correct, children? You understood, right? So now let us take one more example. Find the roots of 4x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 by the method of completing the square. So just check the coefficient of x square here. It is 4, which is a perfect square. So we need not multiply or divide anything. So directly let us write down the quadratic equation as it is. So 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. As you can see, all the terms are positive. So instead of trying for a minus b whole square, we can try for a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a square here? So a square will be 2x whole square. Okay. So now we want 2ab. So 2 into a is how much? 2x. B will be how much? What is there here? You have 3. Already you have multiplied 2 into 2. So how it will remain unchanged? So you just write down 3 as it is and divide the extra term which you have multiplied here. Now you check. So 2 into 3 divided by 4. Answer is 3x, correct or not? So now you check what is a here? 2x. What is b here? It is 3 by 4. So can I write b square 3 by 4 whole square? If I am writing 3 by 4 whole square, I am adding extra thing. I need to subtract it again. So minus 3 by 4 whole square plus 5 is equal to 0. Correct or not? Now look at the first 3 terms. What does it represent? It represents a plus b whole square. So 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square. Right? So plus 5 minus 3 by 4, how much? 9 by 16 is equal to 0. So it implies 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square. So let us find out the answer to 5 minus 9 by 16. It is 80 minus 9 divided by 16 equal to 0. It implies 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square is equal to how much? Minus 71 by 16. Okay, so now if you, so definitely 2x plus 3 by 4 will be equal to square root of minus 71 by 16, which is not a real number, correct? Negative number, negative square root of a negative number, which is not a real number. So from this you can conclude that the quadratic equation doesn't have any real root. Correct, children? You understood, right? So whatever we have done so far, everywhere what we have done is we have tried to bring either a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. So to get that particular expression, what are the changes that has to be made without changing the current expression that we have done. So your target is you get either a square minus 2ab plus b square term, or you try to get a square plus 2ab plus b square term, then followed by the constant. Okay, followed by the constant, because definitely constant term will be there because you are adding something extra. If you add something extra, you need to subtract the same thing, because you cannot change the value of the expression. Okay children, it is very simple. You try to solve more and more number of problems you practice, then only your concept will be clear. Okay children, hope you have understood the concept of finding the solution of a quadratic equation using the method of completing the square. Thank you children for your patient hearing. Hope you have liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to download the eTuition app and enroll yourself. Please follow us in YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. Okay children, bye, take care.